Hold on, no. Open it.
Bro, why you do that?
That's the brand new iPhone 11, right?
Bro,
Bruh.
my face, bro.
Perfect.
Open that jump.
Perfect. Bruh.
Mike! Chill, bro. Chill. Stop. Oh, shit. Alright, look. Alright, bro. Come on, you don't gotta get a knife.
My plus.
I feel like Dominique Doss. I turn the worker to a boss. I got VVs in my cross. All of my diamonds ain't got no flaws. Kicked her out the biz and made her walk. And my packet full of that raw. And I got birds Atlanta Hawks. Put on your bitch when I walk. Break your bitch and I break the law. Break your bitch and I break the law. Shut the fuck up, let the money talk.
What's up, guys? It's your boy, itzjustlightroo, and I'm back with another banger. As you see by the title and the thumbnail, you already know what we're gonna be doing in today's video, man. I'm bringing y'all something different. It's banger videos all 2020. We're trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, man. So basically, man, before we hop into the video, man, make sure y'all like the video, man. Let's get 100 likes on this video. Make sure y'all go like the video right now. Like it. Hit the like button. Let's get it. And make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Go subscribe to my channel right now. Click the subscribe button. Hit it. Smack it. Click it. I know you're watching this right now. I know you want to subscribe. Subscribe. Go subscribe. Turn on post notifications once you subscribe. You see what I'm saying? And then you join the family. We dropping banger videos all 2019. And follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna pop it on the screen. It's always on the screen. Follow my Instagram. YAABOIIMIKEE. Your boy Mike Easy. Follow me. Give me the 10,000 followers on Instagram. So, man, basically, as you seen by the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be giving people iPhone 11s with flip phones inside. So I got this video idea from a YouTuber named Legit Tim, so I'm gonna put his link in the description. I'm giving credit to him. It's his idea. I just did it, you see what I'm saying? So shout out to you. So basically, man, I'm gonna be giving people iPhone 11s the box, but I'm gonna put a flip phone inside the iPhone 11 box to give it to them, get their reaction. So we about to hop straight into the video, man. I got that new drip for y'all, you see what I'm saying? Listen, my hair not done right now. It's not cut, so don't roast me, but I got that new drip for y'all, you see what I'm saying? So we about to hop straight into the video, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright, hey, you want an iPhone 11? You want an iPhone 11?
What you mean?
I got a free iPhone 11 for you.
Bruh.
It's free, new from Apple. I just got it. You want to win it? Okay, all you gotta tell me is what's 2 plus 2.
Got him.
If you tell me 2 plus 2 right now, I'll give you the iPhone 11.
4.
Okay.
That was easy.
Huh.
You lying.
Open it.
I'm keeping this down.
Open it.
I'm out.
Hold on, no, open it. Open it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not
That's
really
the
fine.
iPhone 11, right?
Bro, get out my face, bro.
Perfect.
Alright, man. Bro, you want a brand new iPhone 11 from Apple?
You did. You know I do. Where the money at?
Alright, answer this question. 2 plus 2.
4.
4 plus 4.
8.
Oh, alright. Stank breath.
Perfect.
Alright.
Fine.
Guards. Stop it.
Alright, man, we out. Watch out.
Yeah, get that nigga mad. He hit you hard.
No, I'm just
Mom, you know your nephew a little girl.
Alright, man, look. About to get this man a flip phone. Yo, what's up, Zaki?
What's up?
You just chilling? Hey, bro, I got a question for you. If you get this question right, I'll give you an iPhone 11. I just got it straight from Apple.
What?
Okay, what's 2 plus 2?
4.
Okay, bet. Let me get my iPhone. Stay right here. Hi.
Yo, nigga, what the flip phone?
Bro, it's an iPhone 11.
What the?
Whoa, it's an iPhone. Dude, that's the new iPhone. That's the new iPhone. Alright, I got something for you. I got something for you. Bro, chill. That's the iPhone. Bruh. You don't like it? Bro, you don't like it? That's the iPhone, bro. Chillax. Alright, chillax. Chill, bro, chill. Chillax. Bro, that's the new iPhone, the flip phone, iPhone 11. You ain't heard it? Chill, bro. Alright, oh, don't kill me. Alright, chill. Put it down. Alright, man. Next victim. Hey, bro, what's up, bro? Hey, bro, you chilling? Alright, look, I got something for you. So, I just brought a new iPhone 11. You know what an iPhone 11 is?
Yeah, bro.
I know, bro. That job. Easy to say that job hot. But look, I brought a brand new iPhone 11. And if you answer this question correct, you can keep it.
Alright.
What's 2 plus 2?
That's 4. Why would you ask me a stupid question?
Alright, bet. Let me go get the iPhone. I left it in there. Hold on.
No.
Open that jump.
But it's a flip phone, bro.
Chill, bro. Chill. It's an iPhone 11. It's an iPhone 11. Chill, bro. Bro, calm down. What the fuck? Bro, chill. It's a flip phone. Oh, chill, bro. Come on. Bro, don't use that pop, bro. Oh, chill. Okay. I got some. Listen, it's a brand new iPhone 11, bro. Chill, bro. I leave you, bro. It's the new flip phone iPhone 11. Which one ain't hear about it? Oh, okay. All right, put the pot down. Listen. I got you. What the fuck? Oh shit. All right, look. All right, bro. Come on, you don't got it.
We'll get them next time.
Brand new iPhone 11. You don't gotta get a knife. Chill, bro. It's the brand flip phone iPhone 11. It's the flip phone iPhone 11. Chill. Put that thing down, bro. Put that thing down. Alright, bro. Listen. I got you some. Listen. Answer this one right. I get you a real one. 4 plus 4.
It's 8.
No, 4 plus 4 equals no iPhone 11, dickhead.
Alright, man, if you enjoyed that video, make sure you smash the like button. Let's get 100 likes on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Let's get it. Let's go. Thank you for watching. I love each and every one of y'all. And let's go. Let's get it.